Prisms and pyramids. A prism is a three-dimensional object. It has height, width or length, and depth. Prisms have one pair of parallel bases. The shape of the bases names the prism, and rectangles join the bases. So let's take a look at our triangular prism here. You can see the bases are parallel, and the shape of the base, so the triangles, name the prism. And rectangles, you can see one here, one at the base and one over here, join the bases. Now let's take a look at a triangular pyramid. A pyramid is a three-dimensional object. It has height, width or length and depth. Though now the shape of the base names the pyramid, and the other faces are triangles, and they meet at a point called an apex. So here you can see we have a triangular base, but all the other sides are triangles, and it meets at a point called an apex. So here we can see these 3D objects have curved surfaces. So we have our cylinder, a sphere, and a cone, which can also be called a circular pyramid. Now let's take a look at the examples. Here we are asked to complete the sketches and labels. Example A is a pyramid as it comes to a point, and it is a rectangular pyramid because the base is a rectangle. Now let's look at example B. We're going to complete the sketch first, so let's trace over the lines and it forms a cube, C-U-B-E. Now let's look at C. Let's trace over the lines and we have a pentagon here, so it's a pentagonal. It doesn't come to a point, so it's a pentagonal prism. So we'll fill that in. And finally, we're going to join or sketch over our dotted lines. It's a pointy pyramid. What kind? It's a hexagon. So it's a hexagonal pyramid. Now it's time for you to complete the Your Turn section. Once you have done this, mark your work and tick how you feel in the self-check box. Then after you have done that, move across to the following page and complete the practice questions.